Write a short note on who may testify. The law of evidence provides rules regarding who can appear before the court as a witness and give evidence. The general principle is that every person is considered capable of giving evidence unless there is a reason that prevents him from understanding or answering questions properly. According to Section 124 of the Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, all persons are competent to testify unless the court believes that they are unable to understand the questions put to them or are unable to give rational and reasonable answers because of certain conditions such as tender age, extreme old age, physical disease, mental illness, or any similar cause. The main purpose of this provision is to ensure that the witness can understand the questions asked in court. The court does not look only at a person's age or physical condition. Instead, it examines whether the person has the capacity to understand and communicate properly. For example, a child witness is not automatically disqualified from giving evidence if a child is able to understand the questions and can answer them intelligently. The court may allow that child to testify as a witness. Similarly, an elderly person may also give evidence if he can properly understand the questions and provide sensible answers. Mere old age does not make a person incompetent. The explanation to Section 124 further states that a person of unsound mind is not automatically disqualified from becoming a witness. Such a person can also testify if he is capable of understanding the questions and giving rational answers. However, if due to mental illness or unsoundness of mind, the person cannot understand the questions or cannot give proper answers, then the court may treat him as incompetent to testify. Illustration: suppose a 10-year-old child sees a road accident and later appears before the court. If the judge finds that the child understands the questions and can answer correctly, the child may be allowed to give evidence. Likewise, if a person suffering from mental illness clearly understands the questions and gives logical answers, his testimony may also be accepted by the court. Thus, under Section 124 of Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, the important factor is not age or physical condition, but the ability of a person to understand questions and give rational answers. Therefore, every person is presumed competent to testify unless proved otherwise.